Today, Tim and I are heading out to Amboy Crater, located right off Route 66 and I-40 near the town of Amboy. I do want to caution you that the crater itself is located within restricted airspace of the 29 Palms Military Air Base, and you will need to get their permission before flying a drone over the crater itself. When we got to the parking lot, I saw this 6x6 off-road RV, a really rugged truck. But more about that later. Stay tuned till the end of the video for a closer look. This is where the hiking trail to the crater starts right here. It's about a 1 mile hike, and you'll be hiking through some lava fields. Amboy Crater is estimated to be about 80,000 years old. The most recent eruption was approximately 10,000 years ago. The Dormant cinder cone volcano sits in an approximately 27 square mile lava field, and the volcano rises about 250 feet above the surrounding basalt lava plains. After about 1.5 miles of hiking, Tim and I take a well-deserved break before making the final push into the crater. So this is a close-up of the side of the crater. There you can see the trail that leads to the collapsed rim of the crater, which is on the south side. From there you can actually enter the center of the crater and walk around. There's also a trail that leads to the rim of the crater that you can also walk around. We'll do that a little bit later on. Ahead of us you can see some switchbacks that lead up into the crater itself. So here we are walking over the collapsed side of the crater to the interior. This is the trail that leads to the rim of the crater. We're going to walk up there and walk around the top, see what else we can see. This is a view looking back at the parking lot. You can see how far we've come. So here we are walking along the rim of the crater. We're going to go all the way around and come back down the other side. This is a view of the lava field that surrounds the crater in all directions. Finally, we get to see some wildlife. Now, as promised, the SLRV, a rugged 6x6 off-road RV. Let's take a closer look at it, as well as some top-down views.